Hey guys, wanted to jump on here before we even get into the video, just to give you the heads up. This video is a little bit all over the place, which is why I was a little bit back and forth on even posting it at all, since the holidays are now like a month over at this point. I was really feeling quite unwell during this whole period. I actually got my booster the first day that I filmed this, and the following day I was beat, and I was really just pushing myself to get done with everything that I wanted to do. So that's why I'm looking like a hot mess. No need to point it out to me in the comments. As a result, I didn't show a lot of B-roll when I was completing a lot of these tasks. So I will hop back on here at the end of the video to show you the end result. I apologize that it took me so long to upload this, but it is really difficult for me to edit right now because of a health scare that I've had. Maybe in a future video, I will explain that a little more in depth, but for the sake of moving this video along, I'm gonna forgo that. I hope you enjoy the video. Hey everybody, CR Media Gal here. Welcome back to my channel. If you read the title, then you already have a gist of what's coming. I'm gonna be doing some after Christmas cleaning, putting my holiday decorations away, and doing some organizing, maybe even a little bit of decorating as well. We've got guests coming for like the next 5 days, so I'm not sure how much of this I'm ultimately gonna accomplish. The problem is I'm feeling under the weather. I have another sinus infection, so really I need to take baby steps. But I figured I would take you guys along for some, winter cleaning, because I'm actually, despite being sick, actually motivated to get started on this. I will probably do a bit of updating you guys as I go, but also some voiceover just to keep the process moving along. And this will definitely be done in multiple stages and more than likely multiple days. I don't know how far in one day I'm gonna get. I need to clean and put away Christmas decorations in my bedroom and my bathroom. For now, I can only focus on the side behind you. It's quite a gloomy day here today, so working with some artificial lighting, I apologize. For now, I'm gonna focus on this side of my bedroom up until about my desk, trying to maybe clear off some of the Christmas decorations. I have a pile down here of Christmas gifts to put away and organize. I can't do anything with my bed yet, which is why I think I'm going to hold off on cleaning this side of my room, and maybe I'll do that another day. I'm waiting on some new bedding to arrive. I've needed a new duvet for the longest time, so I finally ordered a new one, and some winter sheets. So yeah, until those come, I can't really do anything with this area. So I think what I'll do is just focus on this side of my bedroom, and if I feel up to it today, I will clean my bathroom as well, because I do have some Christmas stuff in here, just a couple little things that need to get, like this bath mat needs to be washed, and my hand towel needs to be washed. So yeah, we'll see how far we get. So as I mentioned at the start of this video, I had gotten my booster earlier this day before I decided to randomly start undecorating all of my Christmas decorations. So I was feeling worse and worse as the day went on, which is why, something like this, just to undecorate, organize, and then clean my bathroom and bedroom would likely take me a couple hours to do in one day, and I definitely had to break it up. And I actually felt worse the following day, which wasn't much fun. And as a result, I didn't end up filming all that much. So there's a lot more of me undecorating in this video than anything else. So I apologize in advance about that. But you know, I was feeling really ill after the booster. If you've gotten your booster, let me know what your reaction was. Some people I know, including some of my family members, have gotten really sick, and then other family members and other friends of mine had like no reaction at all. It's so bizarre. But anyway, I am just going across this side of my room, as you can see here, just grabbing all of my Christmas decorations. This makes me extra sad, actually, to watch this back. I think just because, you know, the end of 2021 was not what I would have liked it to be. It was pretty hard between losing my German Shepherd Ace, which was just really heartbreaking and of course not really foreseen. And then some of my recent health issues that, you know, of course that's how life is. It was unplanned and I'm still dealing with that. You know, it just wasn't a good Christmas. I mean, I shouldn't say that. It was a good Christmas. I'm very blessed that my family and I were able to get together. Everybody has been healthy and okay. So of course I'm very grateful for that. I just, you know, it was a little bittersweet. Hoping that 2022 will be a better year all around. Not only for myself, but for you guys as well. How was your Christmas, by the way? Feel free to let me know down in the comments. So as you can see, I'm slowly making my way around the room, getting all my Christmas decorations together and somewhat organized for the following day. I did get a couple new pieces this year, not too many. I'm pretty much set for Christmas. I did not need a whole lot, but those deer, for instance, were new. If you're curious to go back at all, if you're feeling nostalgic about the holidays and want to watch something Christmas related, definitely go check out my Christmas bedroom tour from 2021. I will put a card up in the corner for you and down in the description. Also, that little tree there I decorated with my Harry Potter ornaments, and I filmed that as well. So you can find that on my channel if you're interested in watching. I've also done some other decorating, cleaning, and organizing related videos here on my channel. I do love to organize. It kind of makes me feel like I've got my you-know-what together. I'm sure some of you can relate. Maybe it's all an illusion, but a lot of times I feel like organizing and cleaning my space also makes me feel like I'm decluttering my own mind and my own thoughts, if that makes any sense whatsoever.
Eventually,
My video keeps crapping out on me. I ended up trying to put everything that I can so far over in this corner, trying to organize it just a little bit. I might do majority of the cleaning off camera just because I've been having so many issues with my camera, but I will check in with you guys in a bit.
6.5 hours later.
Sorry guys, it's not even 3 o'clock yet and it is so dark out already. It's probably like at least an hour, a little more than that later. I finally got this half of the room pretty much cleaned. I was going to try to clean my bathroom as well, but like I just want to jump in the shower and lie down. So yeah, I will hopefully check in with you guys tomorrow.
Day 2.
Like I mentioned, unfortunately on this day, I didn't get a whole lot of video footage of me cleaning because one, I wasn't feeling good, but also I was having so many issues with my camera that I also mentioned in a previous video clip. It just was not working with my iPhone this day. But fortunately, I did manage to get some good clips of me organizing all of my holiday ornaments. I bought some new bins. I bought 2 new bins, one for Christmas and then one that I ended up using for a bunch of the Halloween decorations that I bought this past season. You can go back on this channel and watch a whole bunch of Halloween hauls. I'm embarrassed to say there's like 3 or 4 videos that you can watch if you're interested. But yeah, I definitely only had like bags to use for some of those Halloween decorations. I bought way too much stuff. I don't know what I was thinking. But anyway, I was able to use one of the new bins that I bought and put a bunch of my decorations in there. So that was very satisfying. So here I am just reorganizing these bins. I'm putting all of my Christmas stuff below my clothing rack, and then up top I'm going to be putting my Halloween decorations and also my everyday all year round decorations. It ends up looking not the most aesthetically pleasing, but like everything's organized. I know exactly where everything is now, and I was happy with how it all turned out and how everything fits nicely into my closet space. And then on the same day, I decided to tackle a couple just mini projects that for whatever reason I was just putting off. You know, life is like that sometimes. One of those was this mirror that I've had for several months. I'm going to be redecorating and revamping my room a little bit. And I've had my eye on this gorgeous brass mirror from Amazon for, gosh, I don't even know how long. I finally bought it when it was back in stock. And it's just been leaning against my wall for the longest time. So I found a spot in the corner that I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep it there. Probably elevate it a little more. Then I had this new mini pin board that I finally found a space for. And then lastly, I got these 2 new hats for Christmas that I wanted to find spots for on my wall. So I made sure to take care of that. And I'm liking how this little section of my room is looking.
Eternity later.
And I'm back. Now that everything has been undecorated, cleaned, organized, and somewhat redecorated, let me show you the final result. I apologize about the glare, but you know, you gotta film these videos when you can. But everything is now nice and clean. This is my new duvet set. I'm not sure if it's picking up on camera, but the duvet just has these like little stripes in it. I thought that was nice and classy. This is from the Martha Stewart line at Macy's. Macy's was having a major after Christmas sale, so I bought this new duvet, and then I also bought these winter sheets back here. They just have all these woodland creatures on them, including a fox. I mean, had to be mine. So yeah, those are my new winter sheets. And then just a couple other touches that I threw in here. I bought this really cute, rather large tree, faux tree, I should say, at a antique market I was at recently. It's got some cute little pine cones in it. I just have it sitting in my cauldron bowl that I showed in a past Halloween haul. But I figure that'll be adorable, at least for the rest of winter. And I think this might actually replace Harry Potter Christmas tree that I have. I know a lot of people will think that this little ornament is very Christmassy, and it is, but I think it can also pass just for like a winter decoration as well. I got this at that same antique shop for like $5. I thought it was adorable. And then this cute fox basket is also from there. I just stuck some of my Harry Potter throws in there. Hello. Of course, I showed earlier this mirror that I've had for months. I've got some stacks of books I'm using just to lift it, but I think I'm gonna keep it in this corner and just lift it up a little bit more. I hung up my 2 new hats that I got for Christmas. This one actually I need to move down, and I have another hat in my closet that I'm also going to stick up here. But like, that's something I've been wanting to do for the longest time, and I just kept putting it off. It's a simple project, but happy that it's nearly done. We're getting there. Also, my bathroom is freshly cleaned. That Christmas mat has been put away, and the same with the towel. And now I just have my regular stuff out. It's looking a lot better. And that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me in organizing and trying to get my life together a little bit for the start of 2022, which, can't lie, has already been kicking my butt. Hopefully it can only go up from here. Knock on wood. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you will give it a thumbs up. If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you for checking out my latest video. I'd also love it if you would subscribe below and hit the notification bell as well so that you get alerts on future videos from me. And I will hopefully be seeing you guys soon. My videos, unfortunately, are going to continue to be a little bit delayed because of my health issue. It's just really put a kinker in a lot of just everyday things that I'm trying to do. So I hope you will bear with me, and I will try to get back on here as soon as I can. Hope you are all doing well wherever you are, and I will see you guys again soon, hopefully. Bye. This is definitely gonna be a hodgepodge of a video. Need to keep myself hydrated and drink lots of tea right now. I'm not even sure how successful or how far ultimately we're gonna get.